So she's gonna go ba-dum, ba-bum, bum, 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 da, da. Got it? Mariachi was founded in Jalisco, and then it went to Mexico City, where Mariachi Vargas made it a little more well known around the world. Their mariachi uniform that they use today, it came from a different type of uniform where they look like, cowboys. They adapted to a uniform that's more Spanish, like a horse rider outfit. That's kind of the uniform that everybody uses today. Mariachi music is from the word marriage, and it basically, you play this music at weddings. Down, up, down, choke, down, up. Most of them are pretty raw, but most of them, just were like, I think I want to try it. So they're novice at it. So they're pretty fresh, pretty brand new at it.
I like because we get to play more music, more different music than I'm used to. And it helps me actually listen into music and understand how it all works together.
Now they're playing chords, they're understanding the lingo that I'm telling them. Everybody has to play an instrument, everybody has to sing. So to get kids that confident takes a little time, but by the spring, it's really interesting to see how the kids have taken to, just getting out and playing in front of people. But I think that comes with being prepared. And a lot of times it's just how it sounds, and a kid will go, I'll lead it, and I'll be like, okay, let's go ahead and do that.
My favorite one, and I'm still trying to learn how to play it, is El Jinete, because we took it to state last year, and it was actually a good song to play with them.
The folklore behind the songs that we sing is really important, I think, to the Hispanic community. We can play El Rey, and somebody's gonna cry. We can play Volver, and somebody has a tie to that. Las Mañanitas, somebody has a tie to that. So just our being here, our performing these songs that are traditional to mariachi and traditional to Mexican music, I think are really important.
It opens up a new world pretty much, because you get to experience new music, you get to play more music. It's basically like your heritage, kind of.
This is my heritage too. This is my community. This is the music I heard growing up. I was right across the street from La Fuente Ballroom, and I heard this music almost every night, whether I wanted to or not. So it's more a part of me than it is to a lot of other people. There's no specific month that we work on Mexican music. We always work on Mexican music. Okay, so the first chord you see is a C. I'd love to see some 70, 80 kids in mariachi one day. They don't have to have experience to be in mariachi, they just have to have the passion and the will to do so. You can definitely take mariachi to the next level and make it a profession and career. What's the next one? B7. These kids never cease to amaze me, because you won't find a more loyal, more respectful, more kind child than we do here at University High School. It's a great place to be. Great place to be.